Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into an exciting intersection of fitness and technology, developing augmented reality, AR, fitness trainers using Java. Whether you're a developer interested in fitness applications or a fitness enthusiast eager to leverage technology, this video is for you. Before we get started, let's quickly discuss what AR is. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world. This technology can enhance our workout experience by providing real-time feedback, guidance, and motivation through AR trainers. Let's examine how we can build a basic AR fitness trainer application. We'll be using several tools and libraries for this project. First and foremost, we will utilize the AR Core library for handling augmented reality features. For developing our application, we will use Java in combination with Android Studio. Make sure you have these installed on your machine. Now, let's start by creating a new Android project. Open Android Studio and select New Project. Choose Empty Activity, give your project a name, and make sure to set the language to Java. Once you've set up your project, let's move on to integrating AR Core. Open your build.gradle file and add the AR Core dependency as I showed you. Sync your project after adding the dependency to download the necessary files. This will allow us to access AR functionalities. Next, we need to make modifications to the Android manifest.xml file. Here, we must declare permissions for camera access and AR features. With the permissions set, it's time to create our main activity class. This is where we will initialize AR components. In this code, we check for AR Core support and initialize an AR session. Next, we're going to set up our AR view, which is how we'll be able to see our virtual fitness trainer in the real world. Make sure to declare the AR scene view in your activities layout XML file as shown. This view will render the AR content. Next, we need to handle the AR session lifecycle. Here, we start and pause the AR session based on the activity's lifecycle. We will also need to render some content for our users. Let's create a simple fitness trainer model using 3D rendering. In this snippet, we load a 3D model of a fitness trainer. You'll want to have a.sfb model file ready in your assets folder. Once we have the model, we'll add it as a node to our AR scene. Next, let's set up our anchor point in the real world where the trainer will appear. This is done by using the AR Core's hit test functionality. This function will identify where to place our fitness trainer based on user touch input. Once a hit is detected, an anchor is created, and the fitness trainer is displayed there. Now that we have our AR fitness trainer displayed, let's enhance our app by adding interactive features. For example, we can allow users to select different workouts. In this code, we display a dialog with available workout options when the user taps a button. You can customize this to add any workouts you want. Once the user selects one, you can build the functionality to guide them through that workout with appropriate animations. As part of enhancing the experience, let's implement voice commands. This feature allows users to interact with the trainer hands-free. We use the Speech Recognizer class to set up voice command functionality. You'll also need to handle the different results from voice commands so the user can issue commands like start or stop workouts. Finally, let's discuss adding feedback to the trainer. During workouts, it's essential to guide users with timely encouragement and performance metrics. This simple feedback function will display toast messages. You can modify this to include more sophisticated feedback on user performance, such as the number of reps completed or suggestions for improvements. So, to summarize what we have built today, we created a basic augmented reality fitness trainer using Java and AR Core. We integrated voice commands, created interactive workout selections, and built an enhanced user experience with performance feedback. To further expand this application, consider integrating features like workout tracking, personalized coaching sessions, or AR game elements to make fitness fun and engaging. Thank you for joining me today in this innovative journey of developing AR fitness trainers. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay fit, stay tech savvy,